Well, good morning, Legacy Wealth Society market makers, and good morning, YouTube. We're back once again. Hopefully, you guys are dialed, ready to make some money today, like I am. Man, we're going to see what we get today with the whole Iran news, the bombings, everything like that. Be prepared for some volatility today. Today, I am waiting the first 15 minutes, and I'm sticking to it. I'm back dialed. Some of the screws were starting to go kind of loose into February, where I tightened them over the weekend. Now we're back. So we're going to see what we get. Good morning, Travis. Whoa, made $1,100 on the eval you got last night. Well, congrats, bro. Happy for you. Hopefully we all make some money today. Do not fight the market. Let me see where all of our lines are at on the chart so I can call them out to you. Right now, we have a pivot pointing at 627.75. 627.75. Then we got the 21 EMA on the 2-minute, 640.50. 640.50 for the 21 EMA on the 2-minute chart. That pesky VWAP is sitting up there at 683.25. 683.25. Then above that, we have yesterday's low, 782.25, which was Friday's low. Then we also have a pivot point up there as well, 790.25. In the close from Friday, all the way up there, 24,952.75, 952.75. So we got some areas that we gotta see where we're gonna actually be going.
And you got some green on your thing, man. What did you do?
I got some green on my thing?
Well, no, you already traded today.
Oh, that was from yesterday.
Okay.
So, since it doesn't reset till later today when the market closes, those accounts I'm not trading because I want to lock in the profits.
You are the profit.
Did $1,000. So
I did good on I signed in, but I had to go take out the trash. But I did good on last night. I ran some things on the Asian and picked up some cash.
Nice.
Yes.
Hey, we'll take it.
Yeah, we'll get the movement.
Good morning.
Good morning, Mitch.
Good morning. How y'all doing?
Bro, it's another day in paradise. We're excited to be here.
Good to hear. Good to hear.
So, not sure if any of you guys heard, but Apex, they dropped they updated their rules, everything like that. So I'm gonna be diving into that later today, seeing exactly what they changed.
They say they might actually give you a payout if you're lucky at this point. So that's
well,
good.
they stopped. They're switching over to no payout denial. So they're trying to compete with like Tradeify and Lucid and Take Profit Trader finally.
Yeah, so is it like, so they're saying like, hey man, give me my payout, but you only made $5. Well, you can't deny it, you jive turkey.
You still have to make the minimums, everything like that.
Oh,
I'm just trying to get my Subway sandwich.
But they are setting it up to they may be trying to compete now, which everyone's been wishing that they would, because they do have the cheapest entry per account. Because right now they do have an activation fee, but even with the activation fee, it's still cheaper than Tradeify, Lucid, and Take Profit Trader.
Oh, cool. I'm sure one of the great things about this group is I know you'll keep us posted.
Yep. I'm going to be looking at all their stuff after the stream today. And if they, from what I saw, they got rid of one of the rules that was always hemming me up. So if they actually got rid of that, then I will get some Apex accounts, since they're no longer denying payouts, everything like that, for the rule I was getting hemmed up for. So
yeah, like when I popped on, you had just read the VWAP. So could you at least give me the VWAP so I know where we're at? Is it like
Yeah, my
682
VWAP
area.
on the 2-minute chart is sitting up at 683. Good
Okay,
morning,
cool.
Good morning, Rob. Hopefully you guys are ready to make some money today.
It's money.
Yeah, make some smoney. I
Where's
changed my
Dr.
layout
Moose?
on my desk. I have my iPad pulled up with the chat. So now my trading view chart is a full screen.
Awesome.
Or upgrading.
Slowly but surely, I saw a couple of layouts yesterday that I'm slightly interested in doing right here, because if I do it, it's gonna look sick. And I'll probably be able to see a lot more of the market data.
Definitely.
As well. Getting like 230 or 27-inch vertical monitors, and then having one center monitor where I'm executing the trades on.
Bigger screens. Bigger and better.
Yes, I just want to be able to see all the information that I want to see, because right now on the laptops, it's doable. It's doable, but I want to have something where I have like my OBS pulled up that I can actually see it. The chat pulled up, everything like that on different, where I'm not always having to turn my head to see everything. Ty, yes, if you're looking at the chart, the two bottom charts are the standard, the normal candlestick. Good morning, by the way. Good morning, Brett. Last night, I don't know if some of y'all may not have been there, but some were. Last night, we officially hit 2K subs on YouTube. Appreciate y'all. We gave away another standing desk. We gave away Tradeify Select eval last night as well. But we hit 2K, which is crazy because I keep thinking about it, man. In November, first week of November, we had less than like 200 subs. Less than 200 subs. And now we're over 2K. Straight craziness. Straight craziness. Market's getting ready to open. Less than 3 minutes now, boys. Buckle up because I'm expecting some volatility today. Because we gapped down yesterday on that Asian session to start. So I honestly expect some big movement today. So do not get chopped. Wait for the 15-minute range. Possibly size down if you don't like the movement so you don't blow your accounts. And let's stay dialed. It's March. If you have not taken a payout this year yet, stay consistent, base hit it, and you will get those payouts. Most traders, they fail because they're trying to swing for the fence. Can't do that. Cannot do that. All right, well, on this candle right now, bulls are trying to step in and push up slightly. If it was a little bit stronger of a push, I'd be like, okay, is this what's going to happen at market open? Are the bulls going to push, probably get rejected off that VWAP, and then take us down? We're just going to have to wait to see. Down. Take us down. You make some monies. Market's getting ready to open, boys. Market's getting ready to open. Hold your beers, hold your water. Get ready.
Here. I'm just drinking sarsaparilla. It's a little early in the morning.
Hold your piss, too, because you might just miss something.
That's the worst, man. You're right about that. Like, you run to the bathroom and there's this huge move. Oh, look at that. We're on it. Oh. 15
right.
seconds.
Yep. Yep. Here we go. Less than 10. Less than 10. Get ready for the bell. My hands are up. No trades being executed till 9:45.
Can we see your feet too? Because you might have your foot mouse.
No, I don't have the foot mouse today. I broke it yesterday, so
You
that ain't
gave it
gonna
away
work.
for. You gave it away on the stream. My foot mouse. Ew. You could keep it.
All right, market is open. What's up, Zima? I'm excited to really look at what Apex is doing, because if, like I said, if they got rid of some of the rules that were a hindrance to a lot of traders that weren't really trader friendly, I would say, then they may try beating out Tradify and Lucid.
Hey, what, if you don't mind me asking, what was the rule that you kept getting caught up on? I just remember they kept denying stuff.
Well, the whole thing is, for me, one of the rules was the 30% MAE rule, the maximum advanced excursion, whatever it's called. But pretty much going too much into drawdown before closing your trade. Even if the trade ended up going green, you would still be penalized because you're in drawdown.
Okay, so yeah, so if the market wavers a little bit, that counts against you even if you close green.
Exactly.
I got you.
And you can't go like 30% of your starting balance for the day.
Yeah.
And when you're first building an account, look at this pump right here. Look at that pump. When you're first starting an account, you don't really have a balance yet. You know what I'm saying? So that's where I always get hemmed up when I'm first starting the account. So we'll see. We're going to see. That was a nice pump up there. The close from Friday is all the way up there at 952.75. Right, you made some money on that one? Actually, let me check the audio levels, since I'm just assuming that's like perfect. Let's see here. Yeah, I think we're sounding pretty good. Jay, nice, bro. Happy for you, man. Make those monies. Make those monies.
Hey, is Moose on here?
Let me check. No moose. No moose. He was on last night. He was on the Traders Hangout last night, so he may be sleeping in.
He can't sleep through the retracement. You know that.
That is true. So we went up there to that 790.25 pivot point. Let me see something. You had the overnight high up there at 900. 907.75 is the overnight high. I have two pro accounts to Take Profit Trader. I honestly don't really trade them anymore because I hate giving them that extra 10%. Because when you're taking consistent payouts, the percentages matter.
Would you ever just trade them just to knock them out so you have that cash in your hand and then not renew them?
It's one of those things for me. That 10%, like I was saying, it adds up pretty cool. Look at this pump here, by the way. I would be expecting possibly in this area where we're currently sitting, maybe we build a flag up here, and then we may go try taking out the overnight high. But this pump is absolutely crazy.
I guess I get what you're saying. You already have it, so it's like no point in putting any money into it because you already got paid out with it, right?
I already got paid out on them. And on top of that, even with the payouts with them, they were good payouts because you could do daily payouts with them. I just hate giving them that extra 10%.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Where with Tradeify is 10%, take profit trade is 20%. In Apex, the one thing, while I'm even, as long as those rules have been changed, I'm still skeptical till I really see it. You know what I'm saying? Like, still skeptical, but they'd be cheaper than all the other firms, even with the activation fee, still cheaper. And then on top of that, you can get 20 accounts. And then on top of that, you get the first $25,000 per account with no profit split. So I'm a man of percentages. So I don't do the 20% because there's other firms that do 10%. So that's better. But now if we ain't doing 0%, that's even better. Still pumping here. This thing looks like it really wants that overnight high. No, Brett, that's Apex. That's Apex. But I'm gonna be doing my extra research. I've traded with them before. I've taken payouts with them, but I wasn't really promoting them or talking about them because I did not like some of their rules. We're looking. Yeah, this thing's trying to go up here and take this overnight high. Zero flags, just straight momentum right now. Straight momentum. This is craziness. It's trying to, bro. It's trying to. Yeah, this thing's absolutely pumping. Good morning, Smooth.
That's like, I remember like when you were a DJ, you'd say the same thing. You'd just be like, this thing is absolutely pumping, and be like the house music.
Yeah, I gave up that profession to become a trader.
Well, the best part is when you trade when you're mixing. You're just like, oh, you just have your screen there.
Let's see if we get a bull flag right here.
Duane would like to see a flag.
I would love to see a flag right now, but I feel like the bulls want the overnight high, and we did have that big gap down yesterday, so this could be the correction. I'm not cleared to trade, so I gotta just watch this happen without me. We're gonna execute like we usually do and keep it moving. Sorry to hear that, Smooth. Yeah, at least you're still in the game, bro. Trading on the phone. Whenever I'm trading on the phone, I always use Trade Evade. Good morning, BP. The captain's in the chat. The captain's in the chat now. Right now, this price has some buoyancy right here, so be careful, folks. Maybe we come down, retest this pivot. Where's my mouse? There we go. That 790 level. If we hold above that 790 level, then I would be expecting us to still continue up. If we blow through that pivot like it's not even there, then all bets are off.
Yeah, then we actually have to call moves for the retracement.
Come on, Betsy. We trying to make a couple dollars a day. It's March. It's a new month. I'm shooting for 20 grand in payouts this month. And we're going to keep it moving. I may try some copy trading at some point this month with Apex accounts. Not going to do that with my Tradeify or Lucid accounts, but with Apex, I'll do it. Since they're cheaper. So if they blow.
So like yeah, you'll let us know like what they have, like the 50K and all that stuff.
Yep, I'm gonna go through all that today.
Yeah.
And
Because I was just looking at getting another prop firm. I just have my account that I self-funded, but
Yeah.
I'd like to have a prop firm account too. So
no,
that'd be
I
a good
you.
thing to learn.
I got you, sir.
And I don't know what the hell Tradeify was doing with me, but they finally got back to it and they're answering a question I didn't even ask. So it's just like I just need to be done with them for a while, and then I can come back to them.
No, trust me, I completely get it.
Just because like something's going on with their support that's like frustrating, that's all.
And honestly, most of all these firms sadly have horrible customer support.
Yeah.
Sad to say that I've yet to find a prop firm with great support.
Well, yeah. Well, I mean, at least you're getting like timely answers that are relevant. You know what I mean? And like before, and it's just like a week and a half, and I just got this random thing talking about. Like, okay.
Because I reached out to one of the higher up, and I'll double check that email that I sent to him from as well. Because I'm an affiliate with Tradeify, but when people have been using the code, nothing's showing up on my affiliate dashboard.
Yeah.
When I've literally been on the phone with someone, they bought it, I got the notification, but nothing shows in the dashboard.
Yeah, and like whenever I bought accounts through them, I've always used the code too. So I know people are actively using the code. They're pushing it. So
Yeah. All right, are we building a bull flag right here? I want to clear these candle wicks, these selling wicks. That would make me feel more confident here. I just used your code last. Well, we'll see. I don't know, fam. I don't know. Hey, the code works. The code does work for y'all, but I'm waiting for them to get back to me as well, because I know mad people have used the code. I know, right? But as long as it's helping y'all, I don't really care. I'm not looking for affiliate commissions.
well, you still should get like a recognition thing so they can, if it gives you other accounts or something.
Yeah. All right, we're popping here. Let's see if we break through my yellow line. I still don't like that big selling wick that's sitting up there on top of this flag. That's the only thing that has me hesitant. And we got this pivot point so close. I want us to go down and touch it to make me feel better.
Touch the pivot, baby. Touch the pivot, baby. Hey, I say you like what I cooked yesterday on your phone so you could look at something so you don't trade.
I appreciate you. Steve's always trying to make sure I'm not over traded. Let's see what we got here. No, I haven't got anything yet.
Oh, it hasn't come yet?
No, not yet.
It's seeking. Maybe it took a second.
Man, I do not like these selling wigs. Let me move this up because I'm not trying to jump in and then get crushed. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if that's ever happened to y'all.
No, never. I've never had that happen.
I want to see these bulls really like pump it.
Oh,
Oh, I did not check that. check something real quick. Keep me out off the markets a little bit longer. Well, there's the pump. Thank God I checked that. We got news today at 10 o'clock. News at 10. I forgot to see if we had news today. We got news at 10 o'clock today. So getting ready to clear that big wick that had me slightly nervous. But look at. All right, less than 20 seconds, 10 seconds for me to be clear to trade. Hopefully someone made some money on that one. But we still got that wick. There we go. Officially cleared to trade. Let me give you guys the range for today. Jay, I wait the first 15 minutes of market open. Just to wait for the volatility to die down a little bit. All right, low of the 15-minute range, 24,605. 605 for the low. High is 885. 885. BP, if you ain't feeling all that, don't even risk it, bro. Because when I'm not feeling well and I try trading, I end up taking trades I shouldn't take. But that's just me. That's just me. Nice time. Good job, bro. Let's see if we get another flaggy flag. Where's my mouse being slow? I still don't like these selling wicks. So I'm moving that yellow line to the top of that wick. Need some momentum.
That's it, man. We're not gonna go unless there's momentum.
We got that overnight high up there at the 901.50 level. Coming up to the high of this range as well. Patience, Duane. Don't just click the button. Don't just click the button.
Click it.
It's all right. We just broke out of the 15-minute range. Quick little retest back to the 15. Well, Tom, I'm glad you enjoyed trading with us. Yeah, I'm glad it takes the pressure off you as well. You know what I'm saying? Got that big selling wick right now. I need some good momentum here. And a nice flag. I'm not trying to chase it. Since I already missed out on the one move, I'm not trying to chase it just by clicking. You know what I'm saying? So I'm waiting. I'm waiting for another setup. And we do have news at 10, so. Let's see what happens when we take out this overnight high at the 90150. Okay, Jay. Let's see if we build a flag up here. The flag would interest me as long as we have momentum. Come on, Betsy. What we gonna do? The battle's real right now. Who's gonna win right now? The wrinkles are looking slightly heavy, but I don't know, Dave boys. I'm trying to be extra safe. Well, he didn't break my yellow line, so thank God I didn't go long because I've been stopped out. On the 5 minute with the move like this on this candle, on the next candle, I want to see if we start to build like a little bear flag, maybe start the retracement down. We did not tap that overnight high. Bulls are trying to step in right there. We got that long wick, that buying wick right now. Let's see if the Bears clear it. Hardest thing about trading is you gotta honestly wait for your move. Because it's so easy just to click the button. The hardest part is waiting for that move. Like,
my favorite thing that you said that really stuck with me was, you're robbing a bank analogy. Not that we're really robbing a bank, so, but it's just like if you're robbing a bank, I mean, you do see some people that do like 4 banks in a day because they think they're smart and then they get nailed, but it's just that you get in, you get your money, you get out. You don't sit in, you're not just dawdling, you're not just like.
Yeah, we're not waiting for the cops to show up. You hit your lick and you go. That's it.
That's it.
That's why when I hit my lick, I rotate. Done.
But speaking on hitting the lick, who's been really quiet is Big G. He probably has like 15 grand in his wallet right now.
Possibly. Let's see what we getting ready to get here. On the 1 minute, we may be trying to do like a little bear flag. We have the pull coming down. We'll get a slight push up. If the bears step in. Tim, no clue. I don't even look at silver, bro. Time, that's the goal, bro. That's the goal. Everyone's here because they want to pull out consistent profits. You know what I'm saying? Jay, you know what I'm saying? Don't risk it for the biscuit, fam. You know what I'm saying? It ain't worth it. They dumped him. Oh, Nelly. Oh, Nelly. We'll see what the Nas does. We'll see what the Nas does. We got less than 4 minutes for the news coming out at 10. Four minutes for the news coming out at 10 o'clock. I see a potential bear flag on the 2 minute here. I would want to go through my yellow line with momentum and follow through.
4 minutes to 10.
Thank
Right.
you, G.
Red photo news at 10 too, right? I believe, right?
Well, red photo, okay.
It is. Let me pull up what's coming out.
Yeah, it's
Hey,
It's
red
the
G, did you make
manufacturing PMI.
Hey, G, did you make anything on that move up?
Nah, I'm kind of like watching right now.
I got you.
Following the rules today.
Yeah, I've been trading micros on this one account that I have here to, minimize losses as best as possible. So, the boy actually is up on the day, which is good.
Go ahead.
So last week blew one account, right? And then reset it, got back in, and made like 13 for the day when we were all together on Friday or whatever.
That's awesome, Mitch. Good job.
So far, up 507 on the day. So
Hey, you're better than me, bro. I'm flat. Your boy's flat for the day.
I kind of hopped in before 9:45, so I followed that big push. I was like, I just gotta take it.
Hey,
It's too.
whatever works for you. You know what I'm saying? Like, trust me, I miss. Like, I'm not gonna lie. When I see big pumps and big dumps at open, like, it hurts my feelings. I'm not gonna lie. Because I'm like, dang, I want to take it, but statistically for myself, I've realized I trade worse when I trade right at open.
Yeah, 'cause it was kind of choppy there for a minute. On the 1 minute, right when it opened, it was like up, down, up, down. I was like, I'm a hold. And then it moved. I'm like, all right, let's go.
Okay, 1 minute till news.
Yeah, one more minute, folks. I'll be waiting until after 10 o'clock here because I'm definitely not jumping in right when the news drops. That's called bad for business. Just saying.
Good morning.
Good
Hey, there
morning.
you
Yo, what's up, BP?
What's up, guys?
You just wake up?
No, I've been awake for a bit. I've just been laying in bed.
I was about to say either you just woke up or you still in bed.
I just hopped on.
No, We got news in 5 seconds. 5 seconds for news. I feel like the Bears really want to drop this.
I think you're right. Also, the NQ is failing to take Asia high right now, so we need to catch up if we don't want it to form bearish.
That's the 90150, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yep. We're going to see. We're going to see because right here on this 2 minute, that's looking like a beautiful bear flag.
Talking about last night's Asia high?
Yeah, the high that is at 90150. It missed it by like 1.5 points.
Here comes my yellow line tab.
2.5
Let's get
points.
through the line. Come on, Betsy. There's my yellow line tab.
Look at that. Big old dump.
Still not in yet because we did not have follow through there.
If I want to see like it follow through bearish, I think if at least based on the 5-minute chart, I'd want us to like try to get a closure below like 805.
805. Okay.
And then maybe we try to go mitigate some of this this gap that was formed on the 15-minute. But otherwise, I think it might bounce.
Yeah, I didn't take the short there. We tapped my yellow line, but what I've noticed, like, we sometimes tap it and we go in the opposite direction. So that's what I was waiting to see. Because if I would have gone short right there without the follow through, I'd have been chopped up right now.
Mm-hmm.
That buying wick is crazy. That buying wick is crazy on that 5-minute right now.
I think that might have been a manipulation push downwards because the other ones didn't follow suit.
We tap my top yellow line. Let's see if we get follow through so I can jump in here. It's playing dirty. We're popping out both lines, but no follow through after.
It's like
Gotta love the
peekaboo.
market makers. They're watching my lines right now. They're watching my lines. Come on, Betsy, do something. We're right here at the high of this 15-minute range as well. We popped out, pulled right back into the 15.
Oh shit, you're totally right.
I want to get some positive momentum here. We're going to like run out of the 15-minute range here. Well, we keep failing. We have not touched the overnight high yet either.
Well, it's got to catch up because the ES and the Dow are already mitigating some of the new week opening gap. Dow's just flushing high as hell.
Well, just tapped the overnight high, made a new high there as well.
Let's go, boys. Secured another 600.
Go ahead, right back into the 15-minute range. Oof. Oof.
Up 11.19. I like these micros, not gonna lie. I get a little bit more, I should say, ballsy with it, like risky, you know what I mean? On minis, I'm just like,
Plus, there's the ability to like scale in. You could like do like a starter position, and then if it comes down lower than you were hoping for, you could also
see,
buy
that's
some.
exactly what I just did on that move there. I have my I guess, my buy waiting on there's like a little FVG waiting. I'm like, it's going to tap into that and then it's going to go. And it did exactly that. And I was like, money.
Yeah, like I want to jump in right now, but I'm not liking this price action. And we ain't just jump in and jump in either. Let's see, where would my first target be?
I'm going to call you all back. I got to take this call.
No.
All right.
So we got pivot point 944.50, close from Friday 952.75, and I have a target all the way up at 25,025. But we're right back in this 15-minute range right now, so maybe we build us a bull flag right here. We're in the 15-minute range once again. I'm proud of myself right now for being patient. Like, that's one thing I really want to focus on in the month of March here. Going to my yellow line. There's an overnight high as well, that 901 level. There's that 900. There we go. Come on, give us something clean. The pivot up at 4475. That's on the 2-minute. I do not like that movement right there.
That was kind of crazy, actually.
Yeah, let me get ready to close this. I do not like that price action right there.
I saw it out of the corner of my eye, and I was looking. It was like the iPad screen was like right there. Shit.
I don't know how I just got $40 on that. That's crazy. That's craziness. This thing's moving real weird on the Renkos right now, so I'm not mad that I got out.
I just saw that like that jag of movement, like cha-chong.
Something's getting ready to pop, I'll tell you that. Yeah, see, like lots of selling pressure. Lots of selling pressure. Makes these Renkos dance right now.
Yeah, both the Dow and ES already filled the new weekly opening gap. Just NQ is the only one that's fallen behind.
Yeah. Right now, I'm not feeling this movement. Looking at my Rinkos, I don't like the dance. It's not clean. We're consolidating right now on the Nasdaq. Come on, Betsy. We just cleared that previous candle wick. I'm done trading this account today. I'm not liking this price right now, but 150 bucks in this one. I'm just gonna rotate.
Nifty 50.
It's crazy that we're coming up. There's the pivot point. We got the close from Friday, 952.75. 952.75. Straight craziness right now. So 25,025 would be my first target from the 15-minute range here. But we got to get through this pivot. We got to get through the close from Friday without rejecting to get up there.
And then that mega whole number too.
Yep. We do have some buying pressure. Yeah, I'm just not liking the Rincos today.
It's official. We filled the gap on NQ.
Okay. Well, we didn't hit that 952. Yeah.
Mine?
I had for Friday was 952.75.
Mine is 942 for the opening gap.
Okay. We're in the ballpark. We're in the ballpark.
Yeah.
So what do you think? We going up or down, BP? What do you feel?
I mean, right now market structure is bullish, but if we could get like some significant like bearish pressure, then maybe we could look for shorts. But I'd still say bullish for now.
So go long right now, full port.
Well, I didn't say that. I'm just saying the overall trend is bullish. It could be doing a sub trend pullback.
No, I'm just messing. He's like, no, don't do that. Don't do that, please. No.
Got to be a green Monday, not a red Monday.
No, I feel that. That's why I'm not trying to like over leverage today. You know what I'm saying? Like I want us to get through this pivot point, hit that close for on my chart 952.75, and then maybe I'll feel better. Because right now I'm not feeling the price movement today. It may be because I'm looking at the big green push at 9:30 that I was not able to jump in on, but who knows?
Well, you know, there's a guy that I follow. He's called Duane, and he says the market always repeats itself. So it might not, the push might not be the same, but it might not happen today, but it will happen.
That is true.
Maybe you should listen to him once in a while.
I try to. It's hard sometimes. His voice is annoying. All right, we tap that pivot. Come on, Betsy. If you're going to be a little flag on the 2 minute, give us some momentum so we can take it. Sellers instantly stepping in.
I don't really have anything for right now. What I can,
I think this is a bear flag trying to put on the 2 minute. Just want a little bit more follow through from the bears. I'll take the short here. Gotta get better follow through than that. We hit some buying pressure right there.
Are you in the short?
No. We got this whole number come up that 900 level. So I'm like, do I short down to it? Well, there we go. There's the 900 break. That would have been a short. I have a feeling, but sometimes my feelings are wrong. If we lose this 900 level, we're going to retest the 15-minute range. That 900 holding, it's holding right now. It's protecting the bulls. Yeah, these Renkos are just dancing right now sideways. Come on, market. Do something. Por favor. Close that 420 right there on that trade. We retested that 15-minute range as well. I'll gladly take that. Let's rotate. We're back into the 15-minute range. I would expect us to build another flag right here to take us lower. We got the 21 EMA right below us, 869, 869. So that's what I'd be looking for the next target. Let's see if we get a flag. Come on. Doing some slight consolidation right here on the Renkos. Let me close that. I did not get filled. I did not get filled there. We did just tap the 21 EMA. Let's see how we react here. Sitting above the 21 EMA right now. I'm gonna bring my line down just slightly. Bull stepping in pretty hard right there. Shaw's back above that 900 level.
It's actually pretty unfortunate.
Why is it unfortunate?
Because I had a long set at like 3 ticks below the low we just made.
Oh, that's annoying.
Yeah, I was hoping it was going to come sweep out this candle at 10:03.
I'm gonna see if on Ninja Trade I could have the lines on the chart for my entries and exits, where I could just like Trade Evade, where you could put where you want your order to be at. If you tag it, you get put in.
Yeah, if you find that out, that'd be a cool class to teach, Dwayne.
Yeah, I'm gonna look into that today as well. Look into that and Apex today. See what they got going on.
I did see. Let me see if I think I took a screenshot. Let me double check.
For Apex?
Yeah, I saw something about it.
Yeah, I already was on their website and I looked at a couple of the stuff, but their frequently asked questions was not updated.
Yeah.
Because if they got rid of the no more 30% MAE rule.
Yeah, they got rid of the MAE rule, and then they said no more hidden rules, and then it bumped the consistency from 30% to 50% like other firms.
Yeah. Because as long as they don't have the MAE, because that's what will always hinder me when I would first be building the accounts. And back then, you would have to request your payout, even if you don't know if you broke a rule or not, the way I trade at least. And then I'll be like waiting for like 10, 15 days almost to find out I can't get a payout, which will be so frustrating. But I like with them, you get 100% of your profits per account up to 25 grand.
Oh wow. But is that before a profit split like kicks in, or
Yeah,
do they
before
ever
profit,
do a profit
you
split?
get 25 grand per account.
So are they like hoping people rinse them? Is that like their plan? That's what it sounds like. If you
Well, they've
cap, like,
always had the
an amount per
25,000.
account.
They've always had that.
Mm.
Yeah, they've always, that's always been one of their best things for them, but I always hated all the other stuff with them. So that 25,000 sounds good, but when you're dealing with payout denials, everything like that, you don't feel like wasting your time. But they are
True.
cheaper than all the other firms. Most accounts can only get a max $1,500 payout. But if you're doing $1,500 on 5 accounts, that's still solid. Do that on 10. You can have up to 20 funded accounts.
That's like 7,500.
You know what I'm saying? Like, still solid. It's not the 10 grand, but because before it was 2 grand, 2K was the max payout. But they switched from, okay, I'll check Nutty Bar's breakdown. The one thing with them was always, what was it? The 2K. But the other thing that always I did not like, you had to trade it for 8 days, then request a payout, where now it's 5 days. So it's just like Tradeify for me with the 5-day turnaround. But we gotta see how fast those payouts are, because as you requesting it 5 days doesn't mean they're gonna give it to you next day like Tradeify or Lucid.
It's true.
Quick 170 right there. I could have held longer. We got that 21 EMA right below us, so I didn't want us to tap in and then just rocket ship. So let's get below that 21 EMA, and then I'll probably. Rob, sorry to hear, bro. Enjoy your workout to the best you can.
Bro, Trading View, what the hell, man?
I don't know if that didn't sound too good. Let me see which accounts, because I'm not trading certain accounts because I already traded yesterday and I have to wait for everything to update. All right, we just lost that 21 EMA there, but I feel like it glitched or something on Trading View as well.
Yo, it just did me bad because I had a long order that I decided to move lower, and then it tagged me, shot up, and then I tried to move my my limit order like lower, and then it was inside of it, didn't fill it, and then it went down, and then I moved my take profit like lower again. It spiked up one more time, went through it again, and didn't fill, and then it dropped, went straight through my stop loss. It was just a low risk trade with a high probability, but
Yeah.
still, damn, that was just unfortunate. Because I tried to get out of it like before it came to stop me out, and it just didn't fill.
Yeah, that's right. One cool thing with Apex, 1 day to pass. So you can pass an account with them in 1 day. That's always been one of their things. So tomorrow I may be trading some Apex accounts if I like what the rules are talking about.
Very.
What was that?
That's like very unfortunate. I'm gonna fight the market.
Don't fight the market, bro. Don't do it, BP. Do not fight the market.
Yeah, I'm excited, Leo, about the Apex and also the how to mark trades on the chart, because that could help me in the after hours, especially.
Yeah. Yeah, I want to just see if there's a way to have a chart trader on Ninja Trader, like Tradeovate, where you can like set your order at a certain level, and if it gets hit, it puts you in. If it doesn't, you're not in. Be careful right now. I want to clear that previous candle wick for a short, which the market heard me talking. It looks like it getting ready to clear right now. It's trying to, but still not getting there. So we got buyers in that area. Tonight we got the Traders Hangout. We're gonna have some fun. 9:30 p.m. Eastern. We'll probably talk a little bit about some of these prop firms, a little bit in detail. See which firms are the best ones to go with currently. We're just gonna vibe up. That's it. What's this one on? There we go. 420 up, put in. We'll take that. I honestly feel like we're going to possibly come down slowly here and retest this pivot. 790.75. 790.75 is up for grabs right now. But I want to see another bear flag. I want to see another bear flag. BP, with the Apex accounts, what I was looking at, one thing that may interest you, for the 150K accounts, even with the activation fee, it is cheaper than Lucid, Take Profit Trader, and Tradeify.
Hey, that's actually pretty cool.
Yeah, for their 150K accounts. So, do I get like, because right now, just to get the evals, the 50K was like 19, like 20 bucks. There is the activation fee though on that. There's an activation fee across the board with all their accounts, but they're all still cheaper than the Tradeifys, the Lucids, and Take Profit Traders currently, since they got this deal going on. So I was thinking about getting probably like 5 to 10 50Ks, and then the rest would be like 150Ks. And those would definitely be getting copy traded two at a time. Let's see if we get a flag right here. I feel like we're trying to do another flag. Potentially. As long as we stay below this 21 EMA, I'm all for it. We're coming closer and closer again above this 21 EMA. Price is currently above the 21 EMA right now. I wanted it to stay below the 21 for a potential short. But that was me. That was me. Is that going to give us our flag? Count my yellow line. Let's see if we get some follow through here. I'll get ready to close this. I didn't get filled where I wanted to. We went up there, we tapped that 21 as well. This is a lucid eval, by the way, so that's why I'm letting it run a little bit. I'll get ready to close it. There we go. We just popped out of the 15-minute range right there as well. So potential, get ready for a potential push. We would honestly need to, for me, be looking for a long. I would need to see a bull flag. I would need to see a bull flag. We haven't gotten a flag yet. And we got that 900 level up there as well. This may possibly start pumping. What's up, Adil?
Hey, how you doing?
Another day in paradise, man. How's your day going so far?
It's going good. Yourself?
Living the dream, man. Living the dream. So we just broke through that 900 level right there. Music's a little loud. That's crazy. They must Tradeify must be watching our stream today. One of the guy that handles all the affiliate stuff for them just reached out to me, saying that their team is running their stuff to get everything synced. So we're going to see what happens. We're going to see. That's funny. Looks like they're back in the office, so we'll take that. Let's see. VP, you taking any trades here or not yet?
I took two. One, I moved my stop into profit, and then on this one that screwed me, where I kept trying to get out and it wouldn't let me.
That's annoying. That's annoying. I think I'm actually probably going to stop trading today so I can go out completely green with Tradeify today, so I can build off that for the rest of the week. But I'm doing that. I will actually. Let me do this. I'm gonna switch over to one of these sim accounts. I'm just gonna work on because I've been trying to play around with figuring out if I want to actually run stop losses, all that stuff. So that account we'll do it on. Because I did like this one, so. Because listening to BP about scaling in, everything like that, it makes me want to, and scaling out, maybe I try to figure out a way to do it myself. So we're not full pouring all the time, you know what I'm saying? Let's see if we get a bull flag right here. I would like this candle to close red. And then the next one be green and take us higher. Audio. I use TradingView to chart. I do use TradingView to chart. It's slow and steady right now. It's slow and steady right now. Like right now, we got that pivot point up there above us. So that's what I would be looking at to target, would be the pivot. But I want to see some type of structure for a flag. We got 50 seconds left on the 5-minute candle. Right now, we're not getting a lot of momentum. We're creeping, but we're not. It's not good momentum. Show me the mo. Maybe I'll go more than 20 ticks for the stop loss. Hold on, 3. a BP. Not trying to get too much in your business. For your stop loss and take profits, how many ticks you normally shooting for? Just curious.
It's a really good question. It kind of depends on the market condition, and if I'm like trading with like micros, then it's a lot more different because I have bigger stops and bigger TPs. Like for example, if you were gonna do like one mini, I can give you like what it would be for like 1,000.
I was just seeing what you had. Wasn't.
What's up, guys? I'm back.
What's up, Mitch?
Anything exciting happen?
I guess my stop loss and take profit is usually like 120 would be like my TP for ticks, and then my stop loss would be like 40 ticks, but it just kind of like depends.
Okay. So yeah, yours are a little bit tighter.
Yeah, I can spread like my risk a little bit and like make it wider. I just have to like de-risk.
Well, we just made new highs right there. We cleared out all those selling wicks as well. So that was
and the Dow need to catch up on making this new higher high for the YM session, or I mean not YM, the morning session.
The YN session.
Yeah, we may be building us a little bull flag. Possibly. The price action hasn't been the best today. It's been moving, but I wish, as every trader would, it was moving just a little bit cleaner.
If longs are gonna kick in, they should kick in now.
Yeah. I don't like that one. Maybe need to make it bigger. I'm just right now messing around, folks. Trying to see where if I want to use an ATM strategy. There's the pivot. Gee, you still just watching today, or you taking trades? Nice. Yep, that worked.
If this bearish S&T is going to form, then I wouldn't want us to make a new higher high. But if we do, then it's probably just bullish price action still.
Copy. I see a potential small little bear flag, but I'm not overly bearish. Right here. It's one of those ones when if you squint your eyes and turn your head a little bit.
I think I see it.
If the bear stepped in right there, that would make a small bear flag. But looking at the higher time frame on the 5-minute, I would still feel like if we got through that pivot, we could potentially run. But
that would be the TP1, and then the next TP I guess would be at 895. I only have one trade left I can take. And I
Okay.
wanted to take this short, but late to see it. That's the next TP right there. The next one would be 880. The next one after that is 868.
I need to figure out because I want to get this dialed in. I don't know how I feel. I may have to make him a little bit bigger. For my stop losses. But the only thing I do like about the ATM is I'm able to trail in. I can lock in the profit when I want.
True. That's the second TP. And then the next one is the 867. If we can get it.
We need to stay below this 21. We did break back into that 15, but buyers don't want to go into the 15 because they know if we go into that 15, we may have a potential retracement of this morning's move. had to get this dialed in because I like being able to lock in the profit and still be in the trade. So for the market makers, who made money today? Who lost money today? And who stayed flat today? That's the question.
I'm green in everything I traded.
Awesome. Awesome.
Down like 200 right now.
Made money today.
We'll take it.
Hey, little something, not too crazy.
Base hits, boys, base hits.
Sir.
It's all about living and fight another day. That's it. Lucas is green. Awesome. Happy for you, bro. I think I'll be jumping off here shortly. Warrior, good job, bro. Hit your target. Good job, bro. Love to see y'all winning. Tonight, we got the traders hang out 9:30 p.m. Eastern time. We're going to talk trading. We're talking life. And tonight, we're talking prop firms. I know we talk about them every stream, but tonight, I'm going to be looking at a couple probably live while we're checking out the markets. See which prop firms are the best firms to go with. Right now, just straight consolidating on the Renko bars at 11.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. That is straight consolidation.
Yeah, I love how easy it is to spot on Renkos. It's like, yeah, that's consolidation.
Consolidation at its finest. Damn.
Can we toss / you show stop loss on the hangout tonight? What do you mean show stop loss? I don't trade. I don't execute trades for the Asian session. Yeah, we could work through that tonight, showing how to trade on TradingView if that's what you're asking. I don't trade on TradingView. I just chart on TradingView. Well, boys, I think I'm gonna be jumping off here. It's after 11. I want to get off the chart so that way I can end up actually a green day finally with Tradeify again. Copy, Lucas. Got you. Yeah, we can go over there on the traders hangout tonight. Boys, if you don't got any questions for me, I'm gonna jump out of here. Solid day in the markets. Tomorrow we come back, we do it all over again. So 9:30 p.m. 9:30 p.m. Eastern. 9:30 p.m. Eastern. Well, Legacy, be blessed, stay safe. Don't overtrade. I'll catch y'all tomorrow. Well, tonight on the hangout.
Sounds good. Y'all have a good one.
Take care.
All right, guys.
BP.
All right, guys.
TG. T-Brad. And Carmona.
I am not trading. I am green for the day. And we're going to keep it moving in times. I'll catch y'all tonight. Enjoy the rest of your day, boys. Stay safe in the market.